Keep it coming down slow. Watch the clearance on the front bumper.
Little slower on my side. Okay, hold it there.
We're clear back here.
The extent of the corrosion here is worrying.
And the frame alignment is completely off at the rear quarter. This is a major undertaking.
The alignment is spot on, just need to get this windshield swapped out.
Roger that. I'll get the replacement ordered.
A little to the right, that's it. Okay, I think we're seated.